everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what I found when I got home? My Ipsy. It is a $10 a month subscription. It is a monthly subscription. So anyway, let's get started. I have cut the top open since it takes me forever and a day to get this open. So I'm just going to set that down on the side. But here's what the bag looks like. It's really pretty. And let's open it up. It's purple with some hearts, and it's got gold on it, and it's got the little Ipsy logo right here on the tag. And we're gonna open it up. Here's my card. It tells me what does this say? Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis. Okay. So this month we're feeling blessed, #blessed, for so many reasons, like pumpkin spice lattes, besties, puppies, and pizza. But most of all, we're thankful for our awesome Ipsters like you. So here are some perks. Oh, thank you. A cheek formula to make you blush. Tarte Deluxe Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush gives you the most gorgeous rosy glow. Lasts all day and just so happens to be in your November glam bag. Yay me. All right, so I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to pull that out. It's right here. Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. It's right here. It comes in a nice little box. So what does it look like? Here we go. Whoops. Well, it did have a protective film on it, but I managed to drop that on the floor. So it's got this nice little kind of peaches shade. It's in the color Quirky. So let's do this. Here's the color on my finger. Can you see that? No. Alright, let's put it right here. See? Oh, I like that shade. It's a nice shade. It actually will go with my skin tone. So this will be really nice. Let's see if I can build it up a little bit. Yes, it's buildable, but it's a nice peachy tone, so it totally goes with my skin tone. And let's see what else it says. It's made with natural clay harvested from the banks of the Amazon River, and it works on every skin type. It says for oily skin, it minimizes shine. Dry skin is crazy hydrating and helps your skin hold on to moisture. If you've got combination skin like I have, it'll keep your skin balanced and happy. It's soft, silky, and easy to blend with your fingertips or brush. And yes, it is very silky and it's very soft, and you notice I was able to blend it. I have my papers here. I printed it off. It does last all day, and it gives you, and from what I can tell, it's going to give me a natural flush. It says it's a coral shade, but this doesn't look very coral to me. It looks more peachy than coral. So we'll see what happens. The next item that I see in here is Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with an SPF 30. It says it's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. Alright. It says it's for normal or dry skin. Wear over their moisturizer. For oily skin, wear alone. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. And it is in the shade light. So it's my shade for once. But let me hold this up to a light so we can see how full it is. It looks like it's pretty full, but that can always be deceptive. It does have a safety seal on it, so let me peel that off. Come on. Oh, good Lord. There we go. There you go. Safety seal. So we're gonna pull out just a little. Here's the shade on my fingertip. And I'm gonna put it right next to this blush. See, it's on my skin. And I'm gonna blend. See, it blends in really good. It's a really good shade for me. As you can see, it kind of disappeared next to the blush. So, And I have my paper on it down here. What does it say? It is, with the smooth texture of a tinted moisturizer, the SPF benefit of a sunscreen, and the sheer coverage of a lightweight foundation. I would say that's very lightweight, and it does, looks like it's covering up my pores a little bit, and it is blending in really well. This BB cream does it all. It's packed with ingredients your skin loves, like chamomile and artemisa. I think I mispronounced that. To soothe and smooth, and sugar maple to retain moisture and get you glowing. It does have a really shiny glow on it, if you can see that right there. If you have oily skin, it's all you need. Dealing with dry skin, put it over a moisturizer. It works on any skin type. We applied it in the morning and our skin looked even bright all day long. We barely needed to touch up. Okay. So we'll see. I mean, it looks like it's dried down already. It's totally dry. See, I'm not coming up with any product that's already totally dry. Alrighty, the next item in my bag is this Ink Velvet Lip Tint in Peri Pera. Oh, number 9, Love Sniper Red. Okay. And my thingy's open. I like this idea. It looks like a little purse. But anyway, it's kind of open here on the side. But let me open it up at the top. Having a hard time opening things today, guys. But look at this. Look how cute this is. Look how little that is. Okay, so how do I get this to work? Alright, I'm gonna unscrew it. And since I have nothing on, I'm gonna try it on. I got a mirror right here. Oh my god. That's definitely a stain. Totally stained. Ugh. I like the shade. Again, considering the seasons that we're going into, I'm going to be going to a lot of parties and family get-togethers. This will be a nice color. Oh, God, my teeth. That didn't help. Alright. It's a really nice shade. I actually do like it. It's just, it's getting everywhere right now. Because it hasn't dried down yet. But it's a really nice shade. Let me put it right here. I got a little on my finger, but here's what it looks like. But you can see it on my lips. It actually looks really good. Clean this up a little bit. Sorry, I'm not speaking very clearly. Put this right here. Yeah, it's staining my hands. So yes, it's definitely a lip stain. And I just dropped the bag on the floor too. Need to find that other thing that I dropped on the floor. The next item. Oh, let's see what my little handy, there it is. There's the safety seal for my Tarte. Anyway, what does it say about this? It is saying the Ink Velvet, Perry's Ink Velvet in number 9 Love Sniper Red. This K-beauty brand, so hot in the beauty world, creates some of the most unique and highly pigmented formulas we've tried. This isn't your average lip tint. The creamy matte formula will coat your lips in color for hours. It's lightweight, very buildable, and won't dry out your lips like some matte formulas. It's a high glam, fiery red shade. Well, it's definitely not dried down yet because I'm getting it all over my teeth. And it is a nice red, fiery red shade, as you can see on my lips. And it was very creamy, but it hasn't died down yet. You see, it's still wet. It's still coming off my lips. So we'll leave it and see what happens. Meanwhile, I've got this all over my hands. I don't know what to do with it. Next item is by Pure Fully Charged Mascara, powered by magnetic technology. Alright, it's got a safety seal. Oh, here's what it looks like. Sorry, I'm getting a little shine back from my my mirror that's down here. Looks like that. I'm gonna pull this safety off of here. Not that I'm gonna use this. I'm probably gonna set this aside. I've got enough. I got a full brand new. Sorry, that tint is getting all over my teeth. Fully charged. So what does that mean? Okay, we're gonna open this up and see what I can find. It is black, and here's what the brush looks like. It looks like that. A standard, typical little spiky brush. Let's see. I already have mascara on already from when I went to work. It's late at night. See that? Look at that. It's still getting on my teeth. There we go. Let's see. Did that do anything for my lashes? No. Alright, I'm gonna do the trick I learned a long time ago. Yeah, it's still totally wet. Alright, what does this stuff tell me? Where's this? Here we go. Time to brush up on your chemistry. This mascara formula is created with a magnetic polymer matrix. So when the liquid hits each lash, it coats it with a positively charged electric veil. That veil, it dramatically lifts and separates your lashes for instant definition. It also thickens, lengthens, and strengthens your lashes for less breakage. Okay, it's cruelty-free, which is good. Pure is a very cruelty-free brand, but they give you pictures here on how to use it. They show this girl telling you how to get volume. You have to wiggle the wand with your lashes in a zigzag motion from root to tip. Okay, and then it says to curl them, you have to wiggle them from the root to the tip and then hold them to, I don't got time to stand around and hold them. And yeah, alrighty. We'll see. I'll try it out. I have one last item in here, and it is by, what does this say? Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Peppermint Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. I love lip balm. I just hope this is a decent brand. It does have the cruelty-free logo right here, and it does show a recycle symbol on the back. So at least, and here in California, they passed a law that all cosmetics and products have to have this symbol on it. Have to be cruelty-free by next year, I think it is. So, Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm in Peppermint. Get ready to kiss up. Sunflower oil, coconut butter, and coconut oil moisturize even the driest, most chapped lips. And again, the season I'm coming into, I get really bad chapped lips. I tend to have really, really dry skin during this time. So this will work really good. Keep it natural. All organic ingredients are good enough to eat, although we don't recommend it. The invigorating smell gives us a quick hit of a get up and go in the morning. Yes, peppermint does have that, and it does have a safety seal, but let me see if I can. Oh, I just got that lip stain is like getting everywhere. There we go. Yeah, you can smell the peppermint. Alright, I don't have the ingredients on this, so I don't know exactly how true their statements are that it's all natural ingredients, because I am trying to stay more with ingredients that are all natural. But that's my bag. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this bag. Did you get the same items as me? As you can see, this is still wet. And so it's not drying down yet. I've now got lip stain all over my hands and all over my teeth. But I hope you all are having a great evening, and I'm going to get off here. I've got to go make some dinner, and I hope you all have a great day. I just wanted to unbag this since I just got it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and you hit the bell over here so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Again, I hope you all are having a great evening, great day, whenever it is that you're watching this video. And please let me know down below what you think of this bag. I do like this lip stain, but I'm having a serious problem with it drying down, and if it's gonna get everywhere, I don't know. We'll see. But I hope y'all are, again, I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.